How to change your persona on Janitor AI. First things first is I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, but on your end you can definitely use any preferred web browser you want. Now once you have access it, just simply go directly to janitorai.com and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now for you to be able to change persona, all you have to do is to locate the abbreviation of your first and second name. On my case, it's going to be HE. Just simply click on that, locate it at the top right portion. And then in here, you just have to simply choose on my personas. And then if you have an existing personas that you wanted to change it immediately, you can just definitely click on that and it will automatically change by itself. But if you don't have any existing personas, what you can do is just to click on add new. And this is where you can upload your avatar, the name, and the appearance of your character. So that's how you change persona in Janitor AI.